कसे आहेत स्टुडंट? वेलकम. यू आर स्टार्ट इन आवर मदर टंग. मॅथ्स पिरियड आहे. खळखळून असलं पाहिजे, आनंदी आनंद असला पाहिजे, तर मॅथ्स चांगलं लक्षात राहतं, गांभीर्यानं घेतलं डोक्यावरून जातं. मात्र स्टडी करताना गांभीर्यानं फॉर्म्युले आठवले पाहिजे, तर आपल्याला चांगली मार्क मिळतील. पण मन प्रसन्न असावं लागतं मॅथ्ससाठी. नाऊ कम टू बॅक अवर पॉइंट्स. In previous period, we have started Maths Part 2, Chapter number 4, Geometric Construction. And in previous period, we have also completed the basic construction which are useful for this construction. This is, this is textbook of Maths Part 2. Okay. Now we will start here practice set 4.1. In practice set 4.1, there are 4 constructions. And you know how to construct similar triangle. There are 2 methods. Which are these 2 methods? If vertices are different and one vertex is common. Here this is first construction or first example from practice set 4.1. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.5 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm, CA is equal to 4.5 cm. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. That means here this is first method. Here all vertices are distinct. Here vertices are distinct. What we can do? We can find measurements of second triangle with the help of property of similar triangle. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN means we can write AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4 is already given. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. This is the reason for this ratio. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now write measurements of AB, BC and AC is already given in our example. AB is 5.5 upon LM is equal to BC is 6 upon MN is equal to AC is 4.5 upon Ln is equal to 5 upon 4. Now take each two ratio, first and last, second and last, third and last. Now 5.5 upon Lm is equal to 5 upon 4, first and last one. After cross multiplication we get 5 Lm is equal to cross multiplication 5.5 into 4. Lm is equal to 5.5 into 4 upon 5. Take 5 on that side, it becomes divide. 5 11s are 55, but there is one decimal point 1.1 and 11 4s are 44, that is Lm is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Now take second ratio and last ratio, this one. After cross multiplication 5 Mn is equal to 6 into 4. Take 5 on that side, it becomes divide. 6 into 4 upon 5, 6 4s are 24 upon 5, 5 4s are 20 and 5 8s are 40, that is Mn is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Then third ratio and last ratio, 4.5 upon Ln is equal to 5 upon 4, cross multiplication, Ln is equal to 4.5 into 4 upon 5, 5 9s are 45, but there is one decimal point that is the 0.9, 9 4s are 36, means Ln is equal to 3.6 centimeter. These are the lengths of sides of remaining triangle. Which one is triangle LMN? Now here all measurements are present here of triangle ABC and triangle LMN. We can construct both triangle with the help of our equipments. But here for minimum space we have to construct space for construction, and we can write only the measurements of sides of triangle. You write this one, and we are rubbing here because we want to space for construct given two triangles. This is not rough work. This is not rough work. This is for important work for construction of triangle. 1 mark for these measurements. Lm is equal to 4.4, Mn is equal to 4.8 and Ln is equal to 3.6. This is for triangle LMN, and for triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.5, BC is equal to 6, and CA is equal to 4.5. These are given measurements. 5.5, BC 6 and CA 4.5, and this one is 11 is 4.11 is equal to 4.4, not 5. Then Mn 4.8 and Ln 3.6. All these measurements are here, and now we can easily construct both triangles. These are the rough figures. Triangle ABC and triangle LMN, LM 4.4, MN 4.8 and Ln 3.6. Then AB 5.5, BC 6 and CA 4.5 cm. Then construction. Draw this rough figure in board exam also. Now see, you know the basic construction. Construct the triangle if all sides are given. Here all sides are given, we can construct easily. First one, this measurements is already given, and that's why first construct this triangle according to this. Take BC 6. Take BC 6 centimeter. Take your measurement according to your scale. This one is BC. Right here 6 cm. Then AB is 5.5. Take radius with the help of scale. 5.5. This is 5.5. Then 4.5. Take radius 4.5 and arc. Draw arc here which is intersect to first arc. BC, this is point A. This is the remaining vertex, and this is required triangle A, B and AC. Write here measurements. 5.5 cm and 4.5 cm. Now second triangle, triangle LMN, take MN 4.8. Take MN 4.8. This is MN. Don't forget measurements. 4.8 cm. Then take radius LM with the help of scale. 4.4. 4.4. Take radius with the help of scale. 4.4, put your pointer, draw arc here, then 3.6, then 3.6, put your pointer on N and draw arc which is intersect to first arc, and here is vertex N. Then if we join these points, this is required triangle LMN. Don't forget measurements, 4.4 cm and 3.6 cm. This is first method to construct similar triangle. Here these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN. Means if points are distinct, if vertices are distinct, find measurements of required triangle. Measurements of one triangle is already given. With the help of the equal ratio, find the measurements of second triangle and construct easily. Both triangle we can construct such a type. This is first method, and second method we will see how you can construct similar triangles if one vertex is common. Then construct this triangle. Now here we are going to see the second example. Second example. Now we are going to see second example of same practice set. Here triangle PQR, similar triangle LTR. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 4.2 cm, QR is equal to 5.4 cm, PM is equal to 4.8 cm, and construct triangle PQR and triangle LTR such that PQ upon QT is equal to 3 upon 4. Here point R means one vertex is common, that is second method. Here one vertex is common. First method is if all vertices are distinct, and in second method if one vertex is common, there is another method how to construct these two triangles are similar. Now first we have to construct triangle PQR whose measurements are already given. Point R, one vertex is common which is point R here, and now for our convenience take point segment PR or side PR 4.8 first one. Here this is RP 4.8 cm. This is a rough figure. Or analytical figure, and this is construction. Okay. Now you know second method. If the one vertex is common, first construct this triangle 4.1 RP, then RQ is 5.4. Take radius with the help of scale 5.4. Put your pointer and draw arc having radius 5.4. Then PQ 4.2. PQ 4.2. Put your pointer on point P and draw arc here. This is third vertex PQ join this. This is first triangle whose measurements are already given. Now here we conclude that PQ is equal to 3 and QT is 4, means triangle PQR is smaller than triangle LTR, and that's why extend these sides. Extend these sides. Then draw here one approximately acute angle. Then with the help of this rounder, here maximum number is 4. Then we have to divide 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is convenient radius, is called as R1, R2, R3 and R4. Then join 3, that is R3 to P, PR3. Then we have to draw parallel side to PR3 passing from R4. R4 में जाने वाला segment निकलने का which is parallel to PR3, and you know how to construct parallel line with the help of this. Put here pointer, take again convenient radius and draw arc here. Then from this point draw arc here with same radius. Then take distance between these 2 points. Put pointer here, see carefully, and draw arc which is intersect to first arc. Then join these 2 points. This is parallel to PR3. This is construction of parallel line. Then again we have to construct PQ parallel this one. Again same procedure. Put here pointer, take convenient radius, draw arc, put pointer on this point, take convenient radius and draw arc. Again take distance between these 2 points, see carefully what is I am doing here. Then put here pointer. If we join these 2 points, this is parallel to PQ. Then P is 1-to-1 correspondence L. That means here is point L, here is point T, L, T, R. This is triangle PQR, first one. We have to construct 2 similar triangles. This one is PQR, first triangle. Similar triangle LTR, this one. These 2 triangles are similar to each other. Triangle PQR, similar triangle LTR. This is the construction of second method if one vertex is common. In practice set 4.1, there are only 4 examples of construction of similar triangles. 2 examples having same method and 2 examples having same method. You know there are 2 methods. Which one? If vertices are distinct and if one vertex is common. Before this example, we see one example or first example, vertices are common. Vertices are distinct. And here one vertex is common. Remaining two examples same as 1 and 2. And therefore construct remaining two examples with yourself. Then next one, that is practice set 4.2 is depends on tangent to the circle. Okay, do practice this. Try to complete remaining two examples.